What is going on, SHIB Army? Guys, I hope you're having a great day. My name is Bleez. I'm here to talk to you about SHIB price action, and we're going to ask the question today. Will burning 111 trillion SHIB annually take it to $1? Short answer to that, yes. So if that's all you need to know, you can go ahead and hit the like button, leave a comment down below, thank me, and move on. But if you want to know why, then we're going to go over that. We're going to check the price action. We're going to do all the good stuff. And let's get into it. First of all, trading over here. And by the way, if you want to know my review for April for Shiba Inu price, then you can go look at it. I'm going to post it here, and it'll be in the description down below, so you can go check that out. But 1142 right now is the current trade. And if you remember here, I told you we were going to have this little pattern right here. It's going to probably break to the downside, but it's always a possibility when you have one of these flags that you're going to go into the upside. We got some downside right here, and then we got that big upside momentum starting to push us up because the market changed. The sentiment just went different, and then we had this nice big run, and then it was capped off by yesterday, in which we had this giant candle. Now at this point, it was moving back towards the downside. You can see here it traded off and went back down to 1080. And then all of a sudden, we had this massive spike that took us up to about 1169. And what was that? Well, it was because Elon did his, he said that he was going to do it. And he changed Twitter into a Doge logo. And that, of course, started a bit of a meme coin run. Spiked Doge from 7.5 cents up to about 10 cents. I think at one point it was 10.4, but that, then of course it started to range, and that was the end of that. Drop back down. We're about 24 hours through right now. We've had every little piece of the world has had the news, and is it going to continue pumping? I don't think so, because it doesn't do anything. So, but that did cause a cascade over into SHIB, and we started to get a little pump out of it. And when you come down here and look at the sort of volume, you see 185%, 195% increase in the overall volume, because as soon as people saw that a meme coin was running, everybody comes to SHIB. Why? Because SHIB runs the market. So back over here, we look at this. That's what happened. Now, coming over here to Bone, why did we not see the same thing happen with Bone? Well, the simple answer to that is because we don't yet have any confirmation of when we're going to see Shibarium come to mainnet. Now, as soon as we get confirmation of that, I'm unexpected a gigantic run on the price. And I think at this point, it is a discount. It is okay if you want to get in at the $8, $9 range. That's fine. I would be a little bit shrewd on this, and I'm going to accumulate a little bit more as I get down here. Probably not going to see this 92 cent. These things that are popping down here, those are just wicks from front run bots that are dropping price down. It's not a really buy opportunity. But that leads us to the big question of the will burning 111 million SHIB annually take it to $1? Well, the short answer is, of course, obviously that's exactly what it would take in order to do that. But this article came out today, and you're going to be able to read it for yourself here. But it says the project, and we're talking about Shibarium, of course. The project may amp up its burn initiative by a significant margin in the coming months. With the help of Shiba Swap, Shibarium, and virtual land in the SHIB metaverse, the project could theoretically burn 111 trillion SHIB annually. Now, you've seen my math that I've done over the last couple days. I'm not really convinced that it's going to be 111 trillion, but these guys are convinced that it could be up to that. So the Shiba Inu proponent, who goes by the name of Shib Bezos, recently took to Twitter and claimed that the project could potentially burn 111 trillion tokens annually. The known SHIB influencer Queenie had also said that the project could burn trillions of SHIB annually, albeit Queenie had revealed a hypothetical estimation. Let's take a look at this potential scenario. Renaming the lands in SHIB, the metaverse, will also lead to a burn transaction. All funds from the renaming of lands will go into the dead wallet. A total of 96,288 plots are available to be renamed. Renaming a land would cost $100 worth of SHIB. For 0.000027 on average, 100 produces 3.7 million SHIB. Additionally, if 3.7 million SHIB tokens are destroyed for each piece of land renamed, that would lead to 356 billion SHIB being burned. And listen, for $100, you'll probably rename it a couple of times just because you're going to say something funny. You're going to say, look, it's crypto, right? But SHIBA swap burns are going to continue, and you're looking at that equates to, there's a hypothetical assumption that SHIBA swap could burn 1% of transactional volume. If SHIBA swap generates 10 billion in monthly volume, that equates to 370 trillion SHIB at 0.4027. But we're not even in the realm of that. So if this were to theoretically happen, then it takes a bull run, by the way. But if it were to happen, then significant amounts, 3.7 trillion tokens could be burned monthly. And then Shibarium, and the Shibarium. The reason for this, all three scenarios, SHIBA is one of the most popular. The hypothetical calculation takes into account the Shibarium could trade for 5 billion outside of SHIBA swap. A month's worth of trading activity, that would be around 185 trillion SHIB. Now, probably going to need to pamp that down just a little bit, but the numbers are all there. So can we get to $1? That is now the big question. Can you get SHIB to $1? Well, if these numbers play out and they play out to the maximum possible advantage, obviously the answer to this is yes, we can get there. Problem is making those numbers a reality. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And remember, this is not financial advice. My name is Blaze. I am always right. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we will talk to you again very, very.
Mr. Pine Cones come a long, long way, so everybody gets sideways.